Hello and welcome, and I can tell you it was a dry walk to the gantry today, no rain in sight. I'm your match commentator Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player Stuart Robson. And every reason to believe we're in for an entertaining match here. It's Jamaica versus Canada.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
And here's how Jamaica will line up.
Well, it's the basic 4-4-2 formation, but played well it can be really effective. And key to its success are the wide midfield players. They have to be fit, they need to be able to run with the ball, and they need to double up with their fullbacks. It's a really tough role for them.
And here's the starting lineup for Canada.
Well, it's a 4-3-3 with two out-and-out wingers, but they do vary their movement. They give width, but they also make diagonal runs infield when the ball's on the opposite flank. Their performances will be key today.
And now they get the ball rolling. Important interception. Oh, big chance. Gray. And a goal! That is a very bright start. Perfect way to open.
Well, here's the replay, and he shows great awareness to play this through ball. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
The ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? Junior Hoylett. Moving into the advanced position. Well, disappointing end to the move. Well, no problems defensively. Being egged on by the crowd. Can't miss, surely! And they couldn't add to their advantage.
Well, that would have put them in complete control. He should have scored there.
Jonathan David on attacking possibilities. Gives it a go. Well, he had the measure of it, the goalkeeper. Who's going to get on the end of it? Oh dear, not really troubling the goalkeeper at all, Stuart.
Well, from that range he should be scoring, and he knows it.
Shamar Nicholson. Oh, terrific pass. And that's fantastic goalkeeping to get across and deal with the danger. Now how about the short corner? Good looking cross. The clearance wasn't decisive. Well, it came to nothing in the end. Junior Hoylett. He has teammates around him. Takes the shot. It looked as though it had a chance of going in for the equaliser.
It was close, it was a decent effort, just need to keep plugging away now, and surely the goal will come.
Canucks. Daniel Johnson. On the ball, Michael Antonio. Bobby Reid. On the offensive. Opportunity to deliver the cross. It might be. Well, the keeper had to concentrate. Short corner it is. Goalkeeper getting both gloves on the ball.
Well, the hosts have had most of the ball in the last 15 minutes and look like scoring every time they go forward. They do need to extend their lead, though, while they're playing so well.
Yes, really going so well for them, and who knows, they might be able to craft another opportunity. And whipped into the box. And it wasn't quite as good as it looked when it left the boot. But after that fantastic effort, it's gone out for a throw-in. Greg Lee. Crossing opportunity. And caught by the keeper. Buchanan. Well, great read there to intercept. Low. Reed. Here's Bailey. Well, the fans really want him to shoot. Gray. Oh, surely! Missing the target by a tiny margin.
Well, it's a difficult skill to get right, but he almost pulled it off there. He made such good contact with the ball.
Well, half-time coming up shortly, and the home side on top. Stuart, interested to get your critique.
Well, they've worked hard and...
Oh, sorry, Stuart, look at this. Still possibilities. Not able to survive that attacking push. Bobby Reid. On the ball, Michael Antonio. Bailey. He's given it straight to the opposition. And the electronic board delivers the news. 2 minutes of stoppage time. Johnson. Low has it. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. You certainly have got to give this man high marks for his work up to this point, Stuart.
Well, I thought he had a really effective first half. Not only did he get the goal that gave them the lead, but his general play was really good. He was a constant threat, and I'm sure we'll see more of him in the second half.
So back underway here into the second half. And a throw in for Canada. Steven Eustachio. And simple for the keeper. Jonathan Osorio. Now with David. Not far from the ideal pass, you've got to say. Bobby Reid. Oh, great attacking play. Well, in the final analysis, it was good defending. David. And Reid with it. Shamar Nicholson. And the emphasis is on creativity. Oh, it's in! A two-goal cushion now, and the lead fully merited.
This is a brilliant strike, as you can see. He hits it with so much power. The keeper had no chance. Fantastic finish.
And the ball is moving again. 2-0 is how it stands. Atiba Hutchinson. Steven Eustachio. Now, what can they do from here? Promising possession, this. Firing it towards goal. Straight forward for the keeper.
Well, as you can see, the hosts have had most of the ball, and they've made good use of it. They really have played some good attacking football, and they look like scoring more.
Yes, it's going to plan, and they might be able to carve out another chance. It did look on for them, but not to be. Jonathan David. Jonathan Osorio. Can they trouble the opposition this time? Eustachio. Fluency of movement. Cuts in from the flank. Surely! And a fine stop. And a goal! Well, it looks easy when you can put them away like that.
Well, as you can see, the first save is a good one, but they can't react quickly enough to the second ball. The keeper's a bit unlucky, really.
Well, back underway as we reflect on the goal that's made it 2-1. "20 minutes to go in this one. Antonio. Well, the fans really want him to shoot. Well, it was a superb effort, and so near, Stuart.
Well, it just opened up for him, didn't it? Right to take the shot on, and it was a decent attempt.
Atiba Hutchinson. Tejon Buchanan. Well, the threat was very real. Marvellous defending. Great effort to keep that one in play. Antonio, is this the moment? And that's an excellent piece of defending to thwart him. David. 10 minutes left for play. Now can they make something happen? Reed. Real chance. Oh, he's blocked it. If they can score again from this corner, it probably would be the end of the story. They will now make use of their substitutes bench. Well, they fancy a short one. And thwarted there, following the cross. So almost at full time, and the home side on course to eke out a narrow win. Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, they've certainly controlled the tempo of the game and just about deserved their lead. But they've got to keep their concentration right to the end here.
Can they create something from here? Well, nothing comes of it. That's a foul, and it will be a potentially dangerous free kick. Well, they've decided to make a change. Personnel change then. In the world, but the goalkeeper equal to it. Well, adding up all the stoppages, we will have 3 extra minutes. Bailey. Antonio. And the keeper more than equal to the task. Another goal from this corner would in all likelihood secure victory. Trying to pick out a teammate. Relatively straightforward to mop up defensively. Can he convert? And the final whistle is sounded. Good news for all Jamaican fans. A victory here, Stuart.
Well, Derek, it was a tight game. Both sides had their moments and chances, but overall, they just about shaded it. A well-earned victory.
Well, really no complaints whatsoever about his performance in this game, Stuart.
Yeah, he'll be happy coming off the pitch. He worked hard, he was always involved in the game, and he scored a very good goal. That was an impressive performance today.
An important interception. Oh, big chance! And a goal! That is a very bright start. Perfect way to open. Being egged on by the crowd. Can't miss, surely! And they couldn't add to their advantage.
Well, that would have put them in complete control. He should have scored there.
Gives it a go. Well, he had the measure of it, the goalkeeper. Terrific pass. And that's fantastic goalkeeping to get across and deal with the danger. He has teammates around him. Takes the shot. It looked as though it had a chance of going in for the equaliser.
It was close. It was a decent effort. Just need to keep plugging away now.
The target by a tiny margin.
Well, it's a difficult skill to get right, but he almost pulled it off there. He made...
Two-goal cushion now, and the lead fully merited. Cuts in from the flank. Surely, and a fine stop. And a goal! Well, it looks easy when you can put them away like that. Well, it was a superb effort, and so near, Stuart.
Well, it just opened up for him, didn't it? Right to take the shot.
Real chance. Oh, he's blocked it. If they can score again from the... And the keeper more than equal to the task. Another goal from this corner would in all likelihood secure a bit.